I'm gonna have to put another screw in here because he's still doing the loops, probably in the front when I go home. Maybe it's the battery. I don't know. I put a bigger battery. Maybe it's the weight. Hi, Peewee II. Oh! What did you do? Peewee? What happened? I don't know what happened there. Stop showing off. He crashed before. Actually, he went too close to the ground. Just like that, the moon disappeared. So the moon went down already. Getting me dizzy. Peewee, what'd you do there? You didn't go up. Something happened there. I had him to go up and he just kept coming straight at me. Sometimes I think they're alive. Alright, so there's no wind today, absolutely no wind. And he's flying a little differently. And he's still doing the up loops, like he's going up a lot. Like that, see? And then he comes down. So I need to put another screw in the front. And I think it has something to do with the new larger batteries that I put in. I think maybe there's too much weight in the back. So we're going to find out. Whoa! I went right near that bird. Birds. Alright, so go out and come in for a landing. And don't crash this time. And stay away from the weeds. Too many weeds everywhere. And it's very lumpy today. I guess they didn't cut the grass. Very horrible.